to the channel. We're at Hertz, President Circle here. Friday of a long weekend, late in the afternoon. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. And we'll start things off here with Ford Escape. And these compact Nissan SUVs. And this is President Circle Ave. We've got a Mitsubishi SUV. A Ford Escape and two more compact Mitsubishi SUVs. And over the other side, President Circle, we got a Toyota Camry. And got a Nissan, actually it's one of the newer Nissan Rogues. You can see some of those starting to come in. Looks like it's got the sunroof. We got a Ford Escape. Got a Ford Escape. And here we're moving into 5-star. So we got one of these Kia Konas. These smaller Chevy SUVs. Got a Hyundai. Sorry, that other one was a Hyundai Kona as well. Got a Mitsubishi. One of these RAV4s. And we got a Corolla here at 5-star. And you know, this looks like a Santa Fe at 5-star. That's interesting. I don't know why that's parked there. Might be more typically for President Circle. Maybe it's just parked in the wrong spot. Keys are in it. Sometimes some of these are locked. Let me just do a quick mileage check. 3,800. And what kind of trim level we got on here? Okay, I guess just the base trim. Okay, these Nissan are kicks. Okay, I'm trying to remember that for the videos. Just going through 5-star, we got a Ford Escape. Got a Subaru wagon. And we got two more Ford Escapes here. Lots of Ford Escapes just in Toronto Airport in general. As far as I know, the manufacturing facility for those is, if I'm not mistaken, not too far from here in Oakville. And just going into the reserve here, we got a Chrysler minivan. Got a couple compact SUVs here. And what's this? Is this Santa Fe or is this the Palisade? I'm thinking it looks a little taller. This is kind of looking like it might be. Is this the Palisade? What is this? Ah, okay. Yeah, you guys are right. Okay, so this is the Palisade. Starting to get the hang of this. Let's see if we can have oh man, this is nice. It's got a few miles on it, 40,000. Wouldn't be surprised if they bought this from a dealer. Sunroof. And I think these will probably have the 3-row. Oh, look at that. It's okay, so it's got captain's chairs here. And then that, yeah, it's got another row, but it's folded down currently. Okay, there you go. And just in reserve, a bunch of compact SUVs over here, minivan. Let's take a walk over to the gold aisles over at Hertz, and then we'll walk over to the upgrade section and maybe do the reserve on the other side. Okay, so we got a Honda Civic down here. Got an Elantra, got a Subaru Crosstrek. And okay, so we put the gap here. We got a bit of a gap, and then we got a couple Corollas. Okay, on the left it looks like on the left and right it looks like they're all Corollas. Somebody's taking this Kia Kona. Corolla. Yeah, looks like they could rename the Gold Star aisle the Corolla aisle today. Although there is a Kia Soul here in gold. And premium upgrades. A little bit earlier there was I have to go back to my photos. I think there was like a Lexus or an Infiniti, something I haven't seen. But anyway, we got what's left. We got a 5-liter Mustang convertible and a 5-liter Mustang hardtop. And I did ask about these previously. It is a long weekend, so they might be asking a little bit more for them. But previously it was about $100 a day or so. Okay, so here we got a Grand Cherokee. This is over in Reserve. Got a Volvo wagon. Looks like a V60, I would have to say. XC60. Yeah, these are really nice. Trying to get one of these sometime. And again, these are all in reserve. We got a Kia SUV. These compact Chevy SUVs. And we got a Chevy RS Blazer. This is one of my favorites too. I haven't driven one yet. Jeep Compass. And looks like here we got a couple minivans. An older one, a newer one. Mitsubishi SUV, RAV4. It looks like a newer Nissan Rogue. Down at the end here, good to see those. We've got a RAV4 coming up over here on this side. And these are all reserve. We got a Chevy Equinox, I think that is, yeah. Grand Cherokee. these large Ford SUVs. Got a Kia, Hyundai Santa Fe, a Toyota CH. Oh boy, I gotta practice my car names again. Sorry about that, guys. And we got a, I think it's a smaller Ford SUV. Got a Dodge Charger GT with a sunroof. And just wrap things up with a Volvo wagon here. And I think that's gonna be it. All right, thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one.